So, where did this whole cracking your knuckles causes arthritis idea come from? Well, no one knows the exact origin, but the myth has been floating around since at least the 1950s.
Damn!
At some point, people started associating the popping sound with damage, and it became a common warning. But is there any actual evidence to back this up? Let's dive into the research. Okay, let's get serious for a minute.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Does cracking your knuckles really increase your risk of arthritis? Science says,
Oh, hell no!
nope. Several studies have been conducted to explore this claim. One of the most